Since 1927, ASU-Beebe has been a cornerstone of Arkansas education, standing as the oldest two-year institution in the state. At ASU-Beebe, we don't just teach, we provide specialized training you won't find anywhere else. We are home to Arkansas's only veterinary technology, pharmacy tech, and John Deere agriculture equipment degree programs. Whether you're at our main campus in Beebe, or joining us in Searcy, Heber Springs, or at the Little Rock Air Force Base, you are part of a community. With over 80% of our students receiving financial aid, your future is within reach. Use ASU-Beebe as your stepping stone to a 4-year degree through one of our 100-plus transfer agreements. ASU be more than you ever imagined. ASU be a vanguard.